You're watching Love to Learn Phonics with Miss Ellis. Beginning to blend. In these words, let's chunk together the two sounds at the end of the word and focus on blending the initial sound. In this video, you will hear me say, my turn. Here, I need you to listen. When you hear our turn, please join in with me. And when you hear me say your turn, I want you to have a go by yourself. Let's begin. My turn. An. Man. Our turn. An. Man. Your turn. My turn. An. Can. Our turn. An. Can. Your turn. My turn. An. Pan. Our turn. An. Pan. Your turn. My turn. At. Bat. Our turn. At. Bat. Your turn. My turn. At. Hat. Our turn. At. Hat. Your turn. My turn. At. Cat. Our turn. At. Cat. Your turn. My turn. Ad. Sad. Our turn. Ad. Sad. Your turn. My turn. Add. Pad. Our turn. Add. Pad. Your turn. My turn. Add. Mad. Our turn. Add. Mad. Your turn. You were great at joining in. Give yourselves a 0, superhero. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.